Let's be honest, 2025 dragged a lot of people by their edges, and the self-esteem of many didn't even survive the journey. But 2026, this is your comeback year. If you're tired of shrinking, second-guessing yourself, and playing small, stay with me because we're fixing all of that today. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chantel, the curator of this channel. So if you're just seeing me for the first time, please do well to join the Chantel Nation family by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you're notified each time I post any of my valuable, insightful, interesting content. All right? Thank you so much. Mwah. So, if low self-esteem has been bullying you for years, or if you feel like you've dimmed your light for way too long, this video is your permission slip to step into the most confident version of yourself in 2026. Because listen, confidence is not a personality trait. It is a skill, and skills can be learned. All right, with that being said, let's get into it. Number 1, acknowledge where the low self-esteem started. Before change can happen, honesty has to first happen. That low self-esteem didn't just fall from the sky. It usually came from childhood comments, toxic relationships, comparison, or even environments where you constantly felt not enough. Say this with me. This is where my low self-esteem came from. But this is not where it will stay. This simple acknowledgement removes shame and gives you control because you can't fight an enemy you refuse to face. Number 2, build confidence through competence. You don't magically become confident. You become confident by getting good at something. Pick one area of your life in 2026 and commit to improving on it. It can be your career, your fitness, your finances, your communication skills, even your personal branding. Every small improvement becomes a vote for the confident you. Confidence is evidence-based. If you want big confidence, give yourself evidence. Number 3, improve your self-talk. If your inner voice is constantly tearing you down, confidence will always be out of reach. In 2026, I want you to talk to yourself the way you talk to your best friend, with truth and kindness. Replace "I'm not enough" with "I'm learning and improving daily." I can't do it with "everything is figure-outable." Nobody will listen with "my voice has value." Doing this consistently makes your inner voice become your reality. Number 4, curate your environment ruthlessly. Your environment decides your self-esteem more than you think. Surrounding yourself with people who drain you, mock your dreams, constantly compare, will keep you insecure forever. Ask yourself, who in my life makes me feel smaller? And in 2026, please restrict or reduce their access. Not because you're mean, but because you're healing. Confidence grows in places where you feel safe to be yourself. Number 5, please start keeping promises to yourself. Every time you say you will do something and you don't, your brain starts believing that you cannot rely on yourself. And nothing destroys self-esteem faster than broken self-promises. Even if it's as tiny as "I'll drink 1 bottle of water a day, I will walk 5 minutes, I will post content once every week," please try to keep that promise because self-trust is the foundation of confidence. Number 6, level up your appearance, but for you. Confidence isn't only mental, it is also physical. When you care for your skin, your hygiene, your posture, overall grooming, you naturally start showing up differently. This isn't about looking expensive, it is about looking like someone who respects herself. That is why I always say that even the simplest outfit should look intentional. Iron your clothes, don't always come out looking shabbily dressed, nah. Number 7, set boundaries without giving an apology. Let 2026 be the year that you stop over-explaining yourself because people respect what you allow. If someone crosses your emotional, physical, or time boundary, correct them immediately. Confidence is also quiet boundary setting. Number 8, document your wins. Stop forgetting your greatness. We're always quick to remember our failures but forget our wins. It's just human nature. But one thing I've tried to do over the years, and I think it's been working so far, is keeping a victory folder, I would call it, in my notes app. Basically what that contains are my achievements, regardless of how big or small they are. It just trains my mind to focus on not only the negatives, but on my wins as well. You can try it, it works. Anytime self-doubt comes back, Just open your victory folder to remind yourself of all the good that you are. Yeah, receipts build confidence. Number 9, reduce or stop comparison, because comparison, like we all know, is a big lie. It's the biggest of all thieves. In 2026, limit your consumption of people who make you feel behind. They are not doing it intentionally, and do not feel guilty for that. Protect your mental space and stop comparing yourself to others. Your chapter 1 can be someone else's chapter 15, right? You're not left behind. You're simply running a different race. Always look at people for inspiration and not for competition. Your only competition should be you. You have to literally talk yourself out of it and rebuke the spirit of comparison anytime it creeps up. Number 10, which is the final point in this video, believe that you are worth the life that you want. Because if you don't believe it, you won't attempt it. And if you don't attempt it, you won't receive it. Say this daily: I deserve good things. I deserve love, peace, and success. I am becoming the most confident version of myself. With consistency, your belief gradually becomes your behavior. 2026 is not the year of insecurity. It is the year of glow, growth, alignment, and stepping into rooms you once felt unworthy of. If this helped you, give the video a like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying, I choose confidence in 2026. Until next time, y'all, stay amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.
Hey, this Chantel on you woo. Do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel on you woo. Do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. Yeah, it's your homegirl Chantel. And you know I really like your style. Outfits, yeah, they always on fleek. Put you in a new product to ignite your smile. Blow a kiss, she excite that crowd. Yeah, living her dreams, amazing. And don't care what they think. For the ones that she loves, she go hard in the paint. Up in the ring and she styling. She always gon' ride and you know that we vibing. Come join, yeah, I hope you subscribed in. No videos weekly, she vlog for her peoples whenever she go to the islands. Self-development shown in the content. Yeah, she helping you lift up your conscience. Whoa, this is Chantel, but you already know. This Chantel on do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle.